The Earth is what we all have in common. We are facing a man-made disaster of global scale, climate change. If we don't take action, the collapse of our civilizations and the extinction of much of the natural world is on the horizon. Fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, are the largest contributors to global climate change, accounting for over 75% of global greenhouse gas emissions and nearly 90% of all carbon dioxide emissions. These emissions blanket the Earth, trapping the sun's heat, and significantly altering our climate. This stark reality calls for an urgent reshaping of business practices towards sustainability. A transformative journey unfolds in the business world, from CSR, corporate social responsibility, to eco-efficiency, towards ESG, environmental social governance, and regeneration. The first phase, corporate social responsibility, emerged as businesses began to acknowledge and address their environmental and social impacts, marking the initial steps towards sustainable operations. The second phase, eco-efficiency. It emphasized reducing environmental footprints. Businesses strive to use resources efficiently, contributing to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. The third phase, the integration of environmental, social, and governance criteria became crucial. Businesses, especially in Malaysia, started adopting practices that not only respected environmental limits, but also addressed social equity and governance quality, such as board diversity and shareholder rights, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Decarbonization is the critical bridge to the next phase, representing a concerted effort by businesses to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels and lower carbon emissions. The main purpose of ESG is to build decarbonization bridge to help achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions or carbon neutrality within a certain target period. Regeneration, the fourth phase, takes a step beyond sustainability. Businesses in this phase not only minimize harm but also actively work towards restoring and rejuvenating the environment. This evolution from CSR to regeneration reflects a profound shift in business philosophy, driven by the need to address the critical challenges posed by climate change and fossil fuel emissions. This journey represents not just adaptation, but a commitment to a regenerative and sustainable future for our planet. The development of the ESG ecosystem in Malaysia is still in relatively early stages, with the first regulatory initiatives being introduced in 2014. For many companies, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, reporting on their ESG impacts is akin to sailing on uncharted waters. Many are unfamiliar with what to report and how to quantify and qualify their results. ESG 101 is your ESG knowledge booster for your business sustainability. Join us towards a sustainable and regenerative future.